In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create link for photos in Google Drive. To get started, open Google Drive and go to My Drive. This is the main area where your files and folders are stored, so it's the right place to begin if the photos you want to share are already uploaded. Once you're in My Drive, click on My Drive and look for the folder that contains the pictures you want to share. If you have a lot of files, take a moment to search carefully so you select the correct folder. This is important because the link you create will apply to that folder's sharing settings. After you find the folder, click the More icon, which appears as the three dots. This opens a menu with additional actions for that folder. From that menu, click Share. When the sharing window opens, look for the drop-down that says Restricted. Click that drop-down to open the General Access options. This is where you control who can open the folder using the link. Next, select Anyone with the link. That changes the folder from private access to link-based access, which means people won't need to be added individually. After that, find the permission drop-down that currently shows Viewer. Click it, then select Editor. This gives anyone with the link editing access to the folder, so be sure this is the level of access you actually want to provide before continuing. Now click Copy Link. This copies the shareable folder link to your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you need, such as in a message or document. Finally, click Done to save and close the sharing window. And that's it. You've successfully created a shareable Google Drive link for your photo folder. As a quick tip, always double-check both the access setting and permission level before sending the link, especially if the folder contains important files.